Some days you're the only thing I know, only thing that's burning when the nights grow cold. Can't look away, can't look away. Beg you to stay, beg you to stay, yeah. Sometimes you're a stranger in my bed. Don't know if you love me or you want me dead. Push me away, push me away. Beg me to stay, beg me to stay, yeah. Call me in the morning to apologize. Every little lie gives me butterflies. Something in the way you look into my eyes. Don't know if I'm gonna make it out alive. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night devil, put your hands on me. And never, 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 ever let go. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night devil, put your hands on me. And never, 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 ever let go. Some days you're the best thing in my life. Sometimes when I look at you, I see my wife. And you're turning to somebody I don't know. And you push me away, yeah. Call me in the morning to apologize. Every little lie gives me butterflies. Something in the way you look into my eyes. Don't know if I'm gonna make it out alive. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night devil, put your hands on me. And never, 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 ever let go. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night devil, put your hands on me. And never, 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 ever let go. Blood on my shirt, rose in my hand. You're looking at me like you don't know who I am. Blood on my shirt, heart in my hand, still beating. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night devil, put your hands on me. And never, 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 ever let go. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Talk so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night devil, put your hands on me. And never, 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 ever
Let's learn Heart Got Teeth. It's choreographed by Danica DeVoe. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Heart Got Teeth. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do right and left wizard steps. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then quickly step your right foot forward. We're now going to step our left foot forward into the left diagonal. Bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then quickly step your left foot forward. We're going to do a right mambo step, so you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, step back with your right. You're going to touch your left toe back, and you're going to unwind a half turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your wizard steps. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to press forward with our right foot. You want to use the ball of your right foot. You want to kind of lean into it with a bent knee. We're going to recover back onto our left, and as you recover back, you're going to hit your right knee up. We're now going to triple back with our right, stepping right back, left together, right back. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock. Cross your right over your left. And then we're going to do what she calls a jump. You're just going to do a quick step to the left. And as you step, you're going to sweep your right from the side and around and across. You want to make sure that that sweep comes all the way in front to go into the next section. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're pressing forward with our hitch. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a modified jazz box. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and step together with your left. And then we're going to do a V step, stepping your right foot out into the diagonal, step your left foot out into the diagonal, step your right foot back center, and step your left next to your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sweep. You're doing your jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 12 o'clock, and you're going to hold. We're now going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 6 o'clock, and you're going to hold. We're going to do a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 12 o'clock, and you're going to hold. We're now going to do a quarter sailor step, so you're going to cross your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, and then step your left foot forward, and you'll be ready to start over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're facing 3 o'clock. We're going to do our quarter turn. So it's 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your wizard step. So it's right, wizard, left, wizard, mambo, step, touch back, half unwind. Press, recover, hitch, triple back, quarter, cross jump, sweep, jazz, box with a step together, V-step out, out, in, quarter, hold, hold, quarter, sailor, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your wizard. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your wizard. So it's right, wizard, left, wizard, mambo, step, touch back, half unwind. Press, recover, hitch, triple back, quarter, cross jump, sweep, jazz, box, step, V step. Now it's your turn. Quarter, hold, quarter, sailor, step. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, and 8. Right, wizard, left, wizard, mambo, step, touch back, half unwind. Press, recover, hitch, triple back, quarter, cross jump, sweep, jazz, box, step, V step, out, in, quarter, hold, quarter, sailor, step. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. After that, you'll dance through till the end. The dance does end facing the side wall, and all I do is turn to look to 12 o'clock if you would like to end facing the front wall. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn heart, gut, teeth. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Some days you're the only thing I know.